Hello, my name is Oscar Lupan. This is History Macromedia. Macromedia Flash Player 2 appeared in 1997. It was being used for moving vectors and some raster graphics. They improved the stereo sound of Front Unlimited, so I got better the integration of bitmaps, buttons, delivery, and the ability for interpolate color change. Macromedia Flash Player 3 appeared in 1998. It added alpha transparency and MP3 compression license. It was improving the animation, the reproduction and publication, as well as the introduction of simple commands for obtain interactive. Macromedia Flash Player 4 appeared in 1999. It was given wide domain introduction on MP3, streaming, and motion interpolation initially. The Flash Player plugin was not included, with the most popular web browsers and users had to visit the Macromedia website for download it. Macromedia Flash Player 5 appeared in 2000. It was improving the characteristics with the evolution of Flash scripting capabilities. It was presented as ActionScript, an initiative for the independent of content in Flash files, Generator 2.0. Macromedia Flash Player 6 appeared in 2002. It was supporting for consumption of Flash remoting and web service. It was supporting screenreaders through Microsoft Active Accessory. It added solutions for Flash video codec. Macromedia Flash Player 7 appeared in 2003. It was a way of proximate support of this audio and video transmission. It was possible to create tables, graphics, and additional text effects with the new support for extensions. Macromedia Flash Player 8 appeared in 2005. It was having support both in time in the code section in the GIF and PNG images. It had new video support. It was improving runtime performance and bitmap in time of execution of caching. Appeared in 2006. It had support for full screen mode. It had security update. Adobe Flash Player 9. Appeared in 2008. It got possibility of expanding support for the bitmap and dynamic sound generation. Adobe Flash Player 10.